In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import LUTs in CapCut PC. To begin, I've imported this file onto my timeline over here. To add LUTs, all you need to do is to come over to the adjustment tab over here and scroll down over here and select LUTs, and come over to this import sign over here and select plus. Now you can come over to where you have your LUTs and select it on your window explorer and select your folder and select your imported LUTs and hit open, and come over to your LUTs and select this plus sign over here, and this will add the LUT to the timeline. Now, if I move away from this LUT, you can see what we had before. Now, if I adjust this LUT under the playhead, you can see what we have now. The next thing you need to do is to adjust this LUT over here to cover up the entire sequence. And if you think that the LUT is too intense, select the LUT and come over to this top right section over here. And under LUT, you can reduce the intensity of the LUT. You can also adjust some other factors like the temperature, the tints, and the saturation of the LUT. And that's it, guys, on how to import LUTs in CapCut PC.